Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Toyota Camry software. Keeping your vehicle's infotainment system current is essential for optimal performance and accessing the latest features. Software updates can bring improved functionality, enhanced security, and new capabilities to your driving experience. We will cover two primary methods: convenient wireless updates and the reliable USB drive method. Let's dive into how you can easily keep your Toyota's software up to date for a smoother journey. For a hassle-free experience, many Toyota vehicles support wireless or over-the-air updates. First, ensure your car has a strong Wi-Fi connection. Then, navigate to the settings menu on your multimedia screen, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, select Software Update and choose Check for updates. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, accept the terms, and let your system download and install the latest software automatically. If wireless updates aren't available or preferred, the USB method is a reliable alternative. Begin by visiting the official Toyota website to download the correct update file for your vehicle. You will need a USB drive, formatted to FAT32, with at least 4 GB of storage. Copy the downloaded file to the root directory of this USB drive. Then, insert the USB into your car's designated port and follow the installation instructions on your multimedia display. To ensure a successful update, remember a few key tips. Always keep your engine running throughout the USB update process to maintain a consistent power supply. It is crucial not to power down the system or remove the USB drive during installation. The update process typically takes up to 10 minutes. After completion, verify the new software version in your settings to confirm everything is updated correctly. Enjoy your enhanced Toyota experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.